Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. On today's video, I'm going to do a vendor booth wrap up for the month of July. If you guys want to see how that turned out, stick around. So guys, the month of July finished up and I don't know if you can tell from my excitement, but it was my best month to date. I started my booth March the 1st, and after all these months, the hottest month, July, in the middle of the summer, was my best month yet. I am so excited. I want to share with you the numbers. I'm gonna do something a little different today. I am going to do a screen record and kind of do a voiceover on that so that I can talk through all the details, but I wanted to let you know kind of my lessons right now. I did not sell a lot of big ticket items this month. However, I sold 39 items, which is almost double my normal monthly items sold. I did sell quite a few items with large profits because I either got the items for free or they were my large profit items, and I will go through that little list with you guys as well. But my total sales for the month were $699.40. That is before taking anything else out, and I will go through those numbers with you here in a minute. I'm excited. Listen, this was my first full month in my larger booth, and I'm thinking it's starting to pay off. First of all, it is the fourth booth on the right when people normally walk in, and it's double the size of my older one. So the stuff that I have in there feels more spread out. It feels more cozy. It is now having the feeling that I really want the booth to have, and I think it's paying off in sales. Again, none of my big furniture items have sold, but it's a bunch of the little $28, $14, $16, just a bunch of those going. I do want to get some of those furniture items out, but you know what? It just takes the right person. So I am strongly encouraged to keep going, and it's really getting me excited to start doing some stuff for fall and Christmas time, and I just cannot wait to see the profits for those months. So without further ado, let's go through some of the details. So as you can see, I started my vendor booth in March, and I had an 8x5 for March, April, and May, and updated in June, which helped me sell 39 items in the month of July because I have an 8x10 now, a much larger space, for a total gross sales of $699.40, and I give my place the commission of $69.94. If the customer uses a credit card, I do pay that fee, and that this month was $19.09. And that makes a net sales of $610.37. Now, the cost of the goods that I actually sold this month was $121. Again, I got a lot of the stuff for free that I sold this month, which is a profit of $489.37. However, I do have to pay $220 for next month's rent out of this profit, which is a profit of $269.37. So here is a list of the items that I did sell. I just created this spreadsheet in my numbers program on my Mac, but you could use Excel obviously for this as well. And basically, I'm going to sort by descending profit so I can see my most profitable items. And right now, this bread box has a profit of $33.06. And what I did to that is I did paint and stamp that. The lantern I did in my video had a $23 profit. This metal IOD plate had a profit of $19 with the birds on it. These baskets, buy for $3, sell for $26, do nothing to them. Kids chair, another decor board, picnic basket, vase. Here's the table furniture that sold within the first day. Brass horse, glass chicken finally sold, and the blankets, that's easy. You just throw them in the wash and throw them in your booth. So this is just kind of a quick run through of the stuff that I have been making, and you can see what I actually sold them for. I know a number of you have asked for me to share my prices, but I think it's better to share as I sell them because I'm proving that my market is willing to pay this. And honestly, I could probably stand to go up $1 or $2 on each item. I think I would be more profitable if I would learn to just put that extra dollar. For example, this doll chair right here, I meant to price it at $8 and I didn't write it down. And when the owner called me, I told her $11 and it sold and I did nothing different. So that is a very good example of a quick way to increase your profit is go a little bit higher than what you think. Just because we are thrifters, we don't pay full price, but there are plenty of people that pay full price. So after this, I'm going to go through and show you the items that have sold on here if I've made it on a video and just put the price along with it. So I hope you enjoy running through that. If you guys are interested in this type of content, I am going through my first calendar year of running a vendor booth, and I plan on sharing you all the nitty gritty. So if that is something that interests you, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to all so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube know that you guys like my content and encourages YouTube to share it with other people that could as well. Guys, let me know in the comments below, how did your month of July go? I heard from a couple people it was slow, but listen, my June was so slow, I will take it in July. So guys, I hope you leave here feeling encouraged. I am thankful for you guys coming on this journey with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.